About a year ago, I created a video on transforming stereo into 5.1 surround sound using Audacity. Recently, I received a comment on that video requesting a tutorial on achieving 7.1 surround sound. And today, I'm excited to bring you exactly that video. I hope you'll enjoy this video and find it incredibly helpful. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. To kick things off, let's first enable the feature that will allow us to achieve multi-channel output. Simply go to Edit, then click on Preferences or press Ctrl+P now. Navigate to the Import and Export section and make sure to enable the Use Advanced Mixing option setting. Moving forward, drag in the audio file you wish to convert. To proceed, we'll need to split the stereo track into 2 mono tracks. Just select the stereo track, right-click, and opt for Split Stereo Track. As a result, we'll have the left and right channels separated, which will represent the front left and right channels. Next, let's create the center channel. For the sake of this tutorial, we won't be diving into complex tasks like isolating vocals. To achieve this, simply select the right channel from the previous step, which should be the second track from the top, and duplicate it using Ctrl+D then. Adjust the pan slider to the center position. We'll be skipping the LFE low frequency effects track. I've created a separate video on how to handle it, and you can find the link below in the description and also in the card above. However, if you prefer to keep it simple, just follow the on-screen instructions. Duplicate the center track, then select it. Go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen, hover over Remove Special, and choose Silence Audio. Be sure to apply this only to the LFE low frequency effects track. Moving on, we'll create the surround left and right, as well as the back left and back right channels. Start by selecting both of the original left and right tracks. You can do this by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking to select both tracks. Now, duplicate them, and this will add the same tracks to the bottom, effectively replacing the surround left and right tracks. Now, repeat this process once more to fill in the place of the back left and back right channels. Before we proceed further, please ensure that the panners, which determine the left-right balance for the sound, are set to the center position. My apologies for missing this earlier. Great. Now, as we prepare to export our audio file, it's crucial to label the tracks properly to ensure that each one is correctly paired with its corresponding channel. Let's keep it simple by renaming the tracks from 1 to 8 for easy identification. To export your audio file, simply navigate to File, then Export. Choose either WAV or OGG, as these formats support 7.1 surround sound. For preserving the best quality, I recommend selecting signed 32-bit PCM as the encoding option. Now we can click Save. Here's the channel map. This is precisely why we label the tracks, to ensure they match the channel numbers correctly. Please take a moment to verify that they align as intended. This is the final result, encoded in Dolby Pro Logic 2. I've included a link to the full track in the video description below. Available in 7.1 surround sound. Please note that the sound will only play as intended on Android TVs connected to a 5.1 setup. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial on converting stereo to 7.1 surround sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more tutorials like this, and take care.